I am Harindranath. I am the design team leader in Kargil Equipments PDM, and we are a commercial kitchen equipment manufacturer, and one of the leading manufacturers of commercial kitchen equipments, conveyors and display counters in South India. And we have 3 licenses of SOLIDWORKS, actually 2 professional license and 1 standard license we have. One of the key aspects of our industry is presentation, and SOLIDWORKS Visualize has helped us providing us with photorealistic rendered images for our presentations, which has helped us get more and more projects, because the clients or the consultants can see how a project will be looking like once it is finished, even before the discussions has begun. So it is helping us attaining more and more projects, which results in more and more profits. Whenever we have faced an issue in SOLIDWORKS, Conceptia was keen and fast to respond to find a solution and resolve our issues with SOLIDWORKS. Always they have supported us very fast and given us a proper solution every single time we have faced an issue. I can thank Conceptia for their support and looking forward for further support in the future. Thank you.